Hey everyone, Anil here and welcome back to another video of Power Apps. So today's show we are going to discuss interface in Power Apps. So whenever we will start a application, till start the application, create the application, build the application, design the application, and then save the application and also publish the application. The journey to create the application and publish the application, what kind of interface we have to face. So that interface we are going to discuss today. So this is my home button. Okay, and whenever you will type make.powerapps.com, you will see this interface. This interface might be changed if you are watching my video late after 1 year or 2 years. The interface might be changed, but the things will be as it is. This is the create button. So whenever I will click on the create button, you can see I have four options. So start with Copilot. So whenever you will click on start with Copilot, it will give you this kind of interface. Here you will type your prompt. So whatever prompt you will type over here, the application will be created by Copilot automatically. Now, the second option is start with data. Whenever you will click on start with data, here you having multiple options. Create new tables, select existing table, connect external data source. Create new tables basically work with blank table or start with SharePoint list, Excel workbook or CSV file. Select existing table. If you have already created the table into the Dataverse, you can use the existing tables. Connect external data. So whenever you will click this option, it means you are connecting with external data source. And then you are creating your application. And then start with a page design. So now if I will click over here, I can see multiple pages over here. Split screen, sidebar, if you having kind of application that you want a left navigation, and then here two sections, you have to choose this sidebar. Then similarly for a header and image only, this is a Figma file, and then blank page navigation, whatever is your requirement. As per the requirement, you can design your page. And then start with a blank canvas app. And here we having option for responsive, tablet size and phone size. I will click on the responsive for now. I will show you the interface. So it will take few seconds to loading the screen, and then a studio environment you will get over here where you can create the application, you can build the application, you can design the application, and then you can also publish the application, and also then you can share the application. Fine. So here, if you will see in my article, so this is my website tipsbynl.com. This content you will get over here, and you can use this content for interview preparation or whatever you want. Fine. So here, accessing the Power Apps interface, you have to type https:/make.powerapps.com. Then you will see this option. Choose the responsive, and then tree view. What is this tree view? So here, if you will see, this is the tree view. Okay, and in the tree view, you will get the option to create a new blank screen, split screen, sidebar, header bar, whatever kind of screen you can choose from here. Okay, and also the second option is okay, so here it's showing like how you can insert your controls. Okay, in a left pane show hierarchy view of all screens, component and controls. Great for organizing and navigation between the elements. So I'll show you. If you will click over here, you can see all the controls over here. You can drag and drop the controls on the screen. Okay, now it is saying canvas workspace. So this is our workspace. So right now this is the workspace, and if you want you can add a new screen also. Why I'm not using this screen? Because here we are using the containers. So container will decide how the control will adjust, but this screen will decide. You have to decide where you want to put your controls. You can drag and drop the controls. I'll show you. this is the control. You can drag and drop anywhere in the screen, but on this screen you cannot. And we will design our application using the containers only. I will let you know in my next sessions how to use the containers, because using the containers only we can split the screen. The next you can see insert panel. So in insert panel we can see all the controls over here. You can drag and drop. You can search the control text box, and here is one option. Go into the setting. Into the setting, here is one option. Automatically create environment variable, that I will let you know later. Display copilot update. Co-authoring feature also is very good, because what is this feature? So whenever two peoples are working on a same project, you can enable a co-authoring on, and if once you will do co-authoring is on, multiple people can work together, on a single application. You must save your app before you can enable co-authoring. Modern controls. So modern control are basically the controls that are newly generated by Power Apps. So if I'll search data table, so here are, you can see this data table is classical, and modern control should be available. Yes. So that's a table, I think. Yes. So this is the table. This is modern control, and data table is a classical control. Okay. Then here property panel. So suppose uh, if you want to change the property of your control of a container, then this is the property. You can see here, once you will click on this icon, you will get the property of a control, or you can directly say, just click over here, automatically the property window will be changed. By chance if this get closed, how will get this property option? You just have to click over here properties. You will get the property pane in the right. You know the property, like we can change vertical to horizontal, and wrap off, wrap on. So whatever you will change, that will be impacted over here. Now formula bar. If suppose we want to type the formula, so this is my formula bar for all the actions, all the events. So suppose this is a container, I can type in current language, alignment container, barcode color, border style, border thickness. So this is my formula bar, and I'll show you. I've just drag a button, and in the button here are my action. So whenever I will click on select, on this on select, you can type your formula. Okay, you can extend this also. Great. Now the data panel, from where you will add the data. So let me go and click here and add data, and here you will see the options. You can see connectors. So whatever data source you want to add, you can add over here. And these all are the tables. Microsoft Dataverse table, you can add the Microsoft Dataverse table on your screen. You can connect these data table also, because data tables is directly connected with Power Apps. And then we will go on media and variables. So basically just click over here and go on the media. From here you can add the images, add the videos, and you can use throughout your application. And then variable, just click over here, and for the variable I'll let you know. Okay, I'll let you know there is one more application, so that you can better understand. Let me open my inventory management application, where I use the variable and I use the collection, so that you can better understand how you can see the data in the variable and the data into the collection. Okay, so I will go here. I will go here in the variable. Here you can see the global variable. If you want to see the value, you can see text equals to dark, or you can see the view text. Okay, here are all the variables. Okay, these all are my global variables. Now I will close this and I'm using the name formula. Okay, and the value also you can see, and then I'll show you the collection. So here is my collection. You can see all the data in my collection. Okay, so this is the value and collections and media. And the next is preview, testing and debugging. So this is my preview. Whenever I will click on this application, this button, my application will be previewed, in a desktop. If you want to connect your iPhone, you can connect your iPhone, Android also. Whenever you will publish the application directly, you can visualize your data, your application in your application also. Okay, and here in the preview we having the options also. Okay, so let me go over here in the mobile. If I will go for iPhone option, then you can see this is my iPhone option. Okay, and I can change also. Click on product, I can see my all products. Okay, so this is my iPhone view. And now if you want to change the view as window size or canvas size, if I'll go for window size, I can see the window size. If you go on iPad, you can check your application on iPad also. Okay, then next is preview, testing and debugging. So I will show you, there is one monitor. So just click over here, go in advanced, and here you can see live monitor. Click on open live monitor. So whenever you will load your application, whenever you will click on any event, this monitor will start. So let me go, and whenever I will change the page, okay, see here, it is started to showing your entry. Result is success, 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 success. Whatever you will get fail, the failed entry will be loaded over here. Okay, here you are getting everything like what formula you are using. Here you can see the details, request, response, everything you are getting over here. Okay, the details video we will cover, whenever we will create the application, we will demonstrate how we can use this. And the next is saving, publishing and sharing your application. So one more thing I will show you. Whenever you will click over here, you can see the Power Automate. From here, whatever workflow you have developed, you can just click over here and you can add your workflow. You can create your workflow also. Okay, add your workflow, you can search your workflow, and then you can add in the application. Okay, and this is the advanced tool test. This also we will cover in my next video. Okay, and then search inside the application, whatever you want to search, you can search here and you can replace also. Okay, and this is my save button and this is my publish button. So whenever you will publish, this application will be published, and from here you can share this application across to the Active Directory group or a single user. Okay, so this is the complete journey, complete walkthrough of the interface. So I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye bye.